triumphantly crossed the finish line in the Triumph 19 from Saucony. These running shoes feature new and improved midsole geometry with added toe spring that's going to make the transition from heel to toe easier and provide a snappier ride. The style has an 8mm offset, making them best for heel striking runners. The upper is made of an engineered mesh, which is very lightweight and breathable, and they have a flat lace-up closure that will offer a locked down fit. Inside, there's a cushioned collar and a removable padded footbed for a comfortable wear. It all sits on top of a durable rubber outsole that's great for road running.